Hello friends, today we are going to learn about PyRx software and use it for drug discovery process. You can see that PyRx software is previously installed in my PC. The starting homepage of PyRx virtual screening tool is as such. When we go to help button, then on about, here's a short information about the software and the resources that it provides to us. PyRx is a virtual screening software for computational drug discovery purpose that is used for screening libraries of compound against potential drug targets. It helps the medicinal chemist to run virtual screening platform and to execute all the programs associated with it. Here when I selected Veena Wizard, the 4 tabs like it start, select molecule, run Veena and analyze results. It means we are just 4 steps away from optimizing the result of virtual screening. When we go to start button and next to clicking on start, the tab shifted from start to the select molecule. Now what we have to do here is we have to select our ligand and our macromolecule. We can do it by using this plus sign. You can see that I have already saved the ligand file in a PyRx software with a folder name PyRx in my C drive. Once I open, this is a structure what we are going on right now. Now what we have to do, we have to select a macromolecule. Now I have saved it with the name of target PDB. I have again opened the macromolecule also. We can visualize the results of our each step in this particular section of the page. Now once we are done with it, now you can see that you are done with it, and now we are going to select our target. The complete virtual screening has been done and it is about to complete the complete protocol. We are just waiting for it to be completed. We will keep an eye on this completion task, which will help us to visualize the final results. You can also adjust these small dialogues to see how many ligands are being inserted in that, how many target. You can also select the target PDBQT and you can just visualize the target PDBQT. You can also remove the ligand, you can add multiple ligands, you can go for multiple ligand virtual screening. Just select multiple ligands and do the same protocol as we have done in the current process. The time requirement will change as the number of ligands are increasing. It is completely offline protocol, so it might take time for that. Now here we can see that the tab has shifted from run Veena to analyze results, and that target oblique ligand 2, which is the bonding association, are seen. Now when I'm clicking on this, I can see that the complete target and ligand are vanishing. Now going to the analysis of the result, when we are working with analysis, we are seeing here that the binding affinity of the protocols of my target to the receptor are being seen here. The best affinity of the binding is the toppest one, the mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The RMSD values has been displayed simultaneously, lower bound and upper bound. The binding affinity that was achieved was minus 4.3. The more minus the value is, the greater the selectivity, and you can say that greater the binding affinity, the more efficiently the drug has been binded to the receptor. So this is the final way by which you can screen your ligands, you screen your multiple ligands, and completely end up your virtual screening protocol. Thank you.